Hey, Andy from Greek's Garage here. Today I'm going to be trying out this Rust-Oleum tub and tile refinishing kit. Basically, it's an epoxy paint that you can paint right over your tile. So we wanted to update our bathroom without spending too much money, so we decided to try this out before ripping out all the tile since it was still all in good shape. It was just green. So I'm going to be painting the green tile around the sink and keeping the black trim, and then also the tile in between the tub and the toilet. So before you get started, you want to thoroughly clean your tile. The cleaner you get it, the better your paint's going to stick. After everything's nice and clean, the next thing you're going to want to do is take some 400 grit wet and dry sandpaper and go over all the tile that you're going to be painting with the sandpaper. That way the paint sticks to the tile much better. Once you're done sanding everything, you're going to want to thoroughly clean it once more. After everything's nice and clean, the next thing you're going to want to do is tape off anything that you don't want the paint to get on. Like I mentioned before, I'm keeping all the black trim tile, so I've taped all that up. So the kit comes with a part A and a part B that you mix together. But before you start anything, make sure you're wearing a mask because this stuff is really strong, and that you have some gloves on to protect your hands. And also make sure there's plenty of ventilation. I put this fan in the window to suck out all the fumes. Okay, now you're going to want to start pouring the part A into the part B so you can start mixing the two together. Okay, you're going to want to keep mixing this for at least a couple of minutes or more to make sure it's completely mixed together. Okay, now you can pour it into your rolling pan, and after that, you're ready to start rolling. Okay, we're all done with our first coat. Now's the time to go back and check to make sure you didn't miss any spots, and let that sit and dry for at least an hour before you put the second coat on. Now once everything is dried, it's time to put the second coat on. Okay, now we're all done with the second coat. Let this sit and dry for a little bit before pulling up the tape. Okay, I let it sit for a little over an hour before pulling up the tape. Now's a good time to take a razor blade and clean up any of the edges. Okay, here it is all finished up. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.